ordinary inverter against Sharp J-Tech Inverter Air Conditioner. Ordinary inverter may not cool fast enough, and you may not feel totally comfortable with its cooling due to its fluctuating temperature. The revolutionary J-Tech inverter can cool in record time, lowering as much as 5 degrees in just 5 minutes and giving you more consistent cooling. Because J-Tech inverter has 2 times more cooling gear levels than ordinary inverters. It also comes with unique and very useful features. In baby mode, the air conditioner automatically adjusts its louvers to channel cool air indirectly, so you can sleep comfortably without getting too cold. At the same time, its plasma cluster ionizer will be activated to keep air clean and fresh, perfect for the little ones. With lock-on sensor activated, the air conditioner's sensor will cleverly detect and channel cool air toward the remote control unit, so you can enjoy cool air while keeping it away from loved ones who may not want it. And with Best Sleep Mode, the air conditioner will delicately adjust its cooling power according to the rising and lowering of body temperature when you sleep. Start enjoying faster cooling, fine control cooling, and energy savings with J-Tech inverter technology from the future. Sharp.